Okay, let's try this one. Rates of depression. At a time when stress levels are soaring, rates of depression are increasing and the gap between rich and poor is ever widening. We believe that giving can play a positive role in helping people and feel connecting to those them and generate sense of purpose and hope. When we give, we feel valued and useful and happy. Okay, Bismillah. At a time when stress levels are soaring, rates of depression are increasing, and the gap between rich and poor is ever widening, we believe that giving can play a positive role in helping people to feel connecting to those around them and generate a sense of purpose and hope. When we give, we feel valued, useful, and happy. Let's see. Submitting. At a time, I don't know, maybe 70? At a time when stress. It's good. Actually, it is relatively easy. Let's try another one. Tutor who will encourage you to get the most out of your current diet. Okay, it's also relatively easy. Your tutor helps you make the most of your time at university by giving you guidance and support along the way. All new students are allocated a personal tutor who will encourage you to get the most out of your course, direct you to other sources of support, and help you achieve your goals. It's inshallah good. And let's see what it will be. Your tutor helps you make the most. Okay, it is 79. I think it is good score. Thank you.